And we go to a primetime news follow-up now. The taxi driver whose vehicle slammed into two pedestrians on Eastwood Park Road in St. Andrew last week has been charged. George Malcolm, who was arrested days after the incident, was charged on the weekend. A second suspect, Chad Ingram, has also been charged. Now, according to the Public Safety and Traffic Enforcement Branch, PSTEB, on Wednesday, Mr. Malcolm, who was hired to operate the taxi, handed over the keys to Mr. Ingram to drive the vehicle with a group of passengers. However, on reaching a section of Eastwood Park Road near the Halfway Tree Transport Center, Mr. Ingram swerved to avoid a parked vehicle. Now, he mounted the sidewalk and plowed into two pedestrians. He then fled the scene. Mr. Ingram has been charged with dangerous driving, fleeing the scene of an accident, failing to report an accident, and operating a PPV vehicle without a driver's license or PPV insurance. Mr. Malcolm has been charged with aiding and abetting dangerous driving, failing to report an accident, and operating a public passenger vehicle PPV without a license or PPV insurance. The men are to appear in the St. Andrew Parish Court on Wednesday.